We got so many vegetables left over from Easter Sunday, so I thought let's turn these into a leftover veggie breakfast frittata. So let's make a leftover veggie breakfast frittata. I'm gonna go in first with, I've got 3 eggs here and I also have some leftover egg whites. I'm gonna put all the eggs in first. And then into that, some of the egg whites, and then we'll just give this a mix to combine it all. Veggies, we have some leftover asparagus and samphire from the starter, and then we have some potatoes and cabbage. I'm going to use the carrots for something else for dinner. I'm thinking of doing a butter bean carrot hummus and making some koftas with the leftover lamb that we have. So stay tuned for that. But I think what I'll do is I'll just use the potatoes and the cabbage in this. I'll just give that egg a little bit of season with a bit of pepper and some flaky salt. I'm going to slice up a couple of the leftover potatoes quite thinly, that thickness, and then slice up some of this cabbage a little bit more finely. I've got one of my silicone cake molds. This works really well for an air fryer or oven frittata. I'm going to place in the potatoes at the bottom and then sprinkle over the cabbage over the top of that. There's also a few peas in here as well. I'm going to scatter in some of those peas, and then I'm going to scatter in some of the leftover samphire and then pour over that egg mix. I'm just going to place the asparagus over the top of the frittata. Just going to place that on the air fryer tray. Into the air fryer. I'm going to set it like 200 for 15 minutes. We're done. Look at that. Just the asparagus on top, I think, looks so good. Let's turn it out. And this is so good because I'll be able to portion this up and have this throughout the week for breakfast. Oh, we're still a bit too oozy. Oh, maybe we need longer. We need longer. That's a little bit too underdone. Back in for another, let's do another 5 minutes. Does this look better now? Let's see. Yes, I think this is better. We're cooked in the middle now. I think I'm actually gonna have this whole half. We have our potatoes, some cabbage, peas. Place that on. I also have some of the leftover cured salmon we had for our starter. So we'll have some of that with it. Like that. Let's put a little bit of Kewpie mayo over the top. Could look prettier, but that's okay. Also do a sprinkling of this guy here. And the final thing, a little bit of crispy chili oil, although it's never a little bit. Probably one of the bougiest leftover breakfasts. Leftover cured salmon with leftover veggie frittata. Oh, need to wait for that to cool down a little bit, but that, for a little bit of a breakfast prep throughout the week using all the leftovers, very good.